And this St. Leonard's gentleman, about 80 here.
The tea buyers and the blenders use their skill and experience to taste and value the tea and to assess its suitability for inclusion in one of their company's blends, or perhaps for a particular market abroad. About 1/10 of the tea that comes to Britain is re-exported.
Strong, bright.
A popular blend of tea may contain 20 or 30 individual original teas from a number of different countries. Each will provide a measure of taste, fragrance, strength, and good color.
Bright, brisk. 63.
Of course, great care must be taken to make the tea in exactly the same way each time. The same weight of tea, the same amount of milk. The blender's skill lies in keeping the distinctive character and quality of the blend stable throughout the year. For such indeed is the demand for tea in Britain, over £400 million a year, that no one estate could possibly supply sufficient leaf for even a modest selling blend. Some original teas are seasonal, and of course the weather will also vary from season to season, affecting both production and quality. Once the buyer is satisfied, a small quantity of the blend is made up. It will represent in miniature what the factory will later pack in bulk. And it will be tasted to check its quality against the factory's previous blends. Any necessary adjustments will be made to the recipe and the mixing sheet sent out to the factory. The mixing sheet lists the teas which will make up the blend and tells the factory in which warehouse they're stored. The chests are drawn from stock and the process of bulk blending begins. All the various teas which go to make up the blend, the contents of about 100 chests, are then thoroughly mixed in a large rotating drum. From the mixing drums, the tea goes into hoppers, which feed the high-speed packing machinery on the floor below. Most tea for the retail market is still sold in the familiar quarter-pound packets. But tea bags are becoming increasingly popular in Britain. Although slightly more expensive, they are economical, convenient to use, and easy to dispose of after brewing up. The average adult Briton drinks about 1,800 cups of tea every year. About 5 cups a day, every day. That's a lot of tea to make the quick but complicated journey from ship to shelf. So that you can always be sure of getting a good cup of tea whenever you want it.